9, Lesson 4. And the title of the lesson is Deciding Where to Start Dividing. It can cause an issue with some people, and we want to do 2 examples to clear up exactly how you start dividing and where you want to start dividing. Okay, your I can statement is going to be the same as it has been in some of the previous lessons, and basically is to solve real-world problems using division. And of course we know that 3-digit divided by 1 digit is the biggest we're going to get at this stage. Let's look at the 2 different ways you can evaluate where to start dividing. We will use the sample from the book, 145 divided by, let me redo that. It's a little messy there. Let's see if I can do it a little neater. 145 divided by 4. Okay. We have taught that you start with the first digit. You have 3 digits, so you have 3 spaces here for your answer that you need to consider placing a number in. 4 goes into 1 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. It's less than 4, so I did it correctly. I can bring down my next number. Begin again. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. I compare. It's less than 4, so I can bring down my next number. And now I have 25. 4 goes into 25 6 times, because I know that 6 times 4 is 24. 25 minus 24 leaves 1. And I have nothing left to bring down, so I have a remainder of 1. These are the basic division steps that we've been using. But you can do this same problem by eliminating one of the steps. Makes it a little shorter. Okay, you still have these 3 spaces that need to be filled, but that 0 doesn't have to be written. Instead of saying 4 will go into 1 0 times, you can just leave this blank. If you know that 4 will not go into 1, then you can use the next digit, because that's what we did here. We just brought the 4 down and made it 14 and then started dividing. So that's what you're going to do here. Instead of going through the whole process of 4 goes into 1 0 times and 0 times 4 is 0, you can just say 4 will not go into 1, so I'm going to use 14. 4 will go into 14 3 times. You have to make sure, though, that you leave this space blank and you place the 3 in the tens place, because you're using the tens place. Then you multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. I compare, and 2 is less than 4, so I bring down my 5. And I begin again. 4 goes into 25 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract. 1 left over. Remainder 1. It's working the problem the same way, except I get to skip this entire step right here. So it makes it a little bit shorter and easier. If this is a more familiar way, if this is a more comfortable way for you to do it, by all means you may. If you would like to do it this way, you may also do it this way. But make sure that you leave this place value blank, because you're using the entire number 14. I will pause to let you finish copying notes. Now we are going to just practice with some samples from the book, because nothing makes you good at division as well as practicing division. So let's practice these problems. 444 divided by 6. 588 divided by 6. 417 divided by 8. 935 divided by 2. 319 divided by 5. 526 divided by 8. 690 divided by 5. 769 divided by 3. 923 divided by 4. 342 divided by 6. This is 10 problems. If you get all 10 of these correct, then you know 100% how to do division. So practice these problems, consult with your teacher as to how many or which ones she wants you to do, and that's the end of this lesson. Have a great day.